What up mga katekis? Welcome to my very first YouTube video tutorial about networking using MikroTik. In this tutorial, we will learn the basic setup and configuration about PPPoE and Hotspot. Just a disclaimer, I am not an expert or a professional in MikroTik and especially networking. I just learned this in some YouTube videos and then asked some professional and experts for my queries. All of these are all learned in experience and test in an actual setup. Now, let's move on to the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is to reset your MikroTik configuration. To do that, just click on System, click on Reset Configuration, and then check the No Default Configuration and the Do Not Backup. Click the Reset Configuration and then click Yes to reboot. After the reboot, just click on the MAC address and then use the default login username admin with no password. And then click connect. The next step is to decide and rename each port, whether it is for ISP, for PPPoE, and for your hotspot. This is just for identification purposes only. So I decided that my other one should go to my ISP. And my other 2, 3, and 4 is for my PPPoE, and then my other 5 is for my AP, which will go to my hotspot. And then this wireless LAN 1 and wireless LAN 2 will go also to my hotspot. After that, let's go to bridge. Let's create a bridge for my PPPoE, and then a bridge for my hotspot. And then let's go to ports and assign each ports for PPPoE and for your hotspot. So my error 2 is for PPPoE, error 3 for PPPoE, and error 4 for my PPPoE, and then my error 5 or my AP is for my hotspot. Also, wireless LAN 1 is for my hotspot, and my wireless LAN 2 is for my hotspot. After creating a bridge, let's create now the addresses. So, the first address, which is the hotspot. We won't create addresses for PPPoE since it is not advisable. So, I decided my hotspot IP should 192.168.1/24, and this will go to bridge hotspot. After creating our address list, we will now create our address pool. Click on IP and then pool. For our hotspot, we will start at 192.168.98.2 to 192.168.98.254. Click apply, then OK. But this time we will create our address list for PPPoE clients. I decided it will go as 192.168.15.2 to 192.168.15.254. Click apply and then OK. Now we have address list and IP pool. Connect to the internet now by connecting. Just click on IP, the HCP client, and then click the plus sign. Select the ISP port. Click apply, then OK. Enable it. Wait. And then the IP address of our MikroTik is 192.168.1.149/24. It will automatically added to the address list as dynamic address. And then let's go to IP firewall. Click on NAT, and then let's create our source NAT. Make the out interface as either ISP and then masquerade. Click apply and OK. We can check whether it has the internet now or not. Just click on the terminal, ping google.com. And now we have our internet. To stop, just click Ctrl C. Since we have our internet now on our MikroTik, we are ready now to make our PPPoE server. So to do that, let's just first create our simple queue. This will become the parent of all our PPPoE connections. Just name it as PPPoE connections. The target is 192.168.15.0/24. Click on the advanced tab. It's okay here. Just click apply and then okay. And then we will close all the other tabs for clearer view. Just click on PPPoE here. Click the plus sign on the PPPoE server tab, and then let's name this as PPPoE server. The interface is our bridge PPPoE, and then just click on the one session per host and uncheck the other, just remain the pop and then click apply, okay, enable. And then after that we will create our profile. The first profile is for unlimited users, so let's name this as unlimited. And then click the local address is 192.168.15.1. The remote address, this is our pool, so just click on pool PPPoE. The DNS servers, let's just put Google DNS 4.4, and then the protocols, the limits, we don't want to put limits here. The parent queue should go on PPPoE connections scripts. Just click on apply, then okay. And then this is just for example. I will create a PPPoE MVPS client. So local address same, remote address our address pool, and then DNS server our Google DNS, and then limits, just put 50 and /50 and parent queue PPPoE connections, apply, okay. Now we are done creating our profiles. Let's create our secrets. Name, let's name this as test password 1234, and then service PPPoE. Profile, let's name this as 50 Mbps, and then just click on apply and then okay. Just click, we will create I'll create my name with my password, and then the service should go as PPPoE and the profile should go as unlimited. Click apply, then okay. To test this, we will try to connect. Since I have connected my ports at either two, to do that just click on the network in settings, click on dial up, set up a new connection, click next. I'll create a new connection, broadband PPPoE. Let's test password 1234 and then show characters. Remember this password. Just click connect, and then as you can see, we are now connected here in our queue list, and we can now see that in the interface list our test account. So to test that, let's go to speed test. If it has 50 Mbps speed, you can see, it is working. And to connect my account, let's just disconnect this and then connect the other one. So Vince is now active. It will not go to queue list since it is unlimited. So that's all for our PPPoE connections. If you'd like to see me making more videos about MikroTik, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and do click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to give thumbs up. Let's go!